Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Bigsuper, they're in the town of Morant Bay, and we get to understand that they have a tribute to Donovan in the town here. Yeah, they have a tribute, and we walk up. We walk up in the town. We have a look at what's going on with the tribute taking place here with Donovan today. Yeah, my viewers and so. Yeah, we don't know. There's somewhere up the road there, so me say them put some funding together to Donovan, you know. And you remember Donovan, that youth with the hand sound, that can mentally challenge Jen come and never lose in 3 points. Yeah, so we are gonna take a look. Yeah, we are going so we soon come. Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
$2,000 sale get them. $2,000 for the female jeans then. Female jeans $2,000. $2,000 get them. $2,000 sale. Sale. $2,000 sale for the female stuff then. Yes, we can run for them, the jeans run for them, the cargo punch them, solid jeans, the right jeans. Another friend.
And look who we got here. People on the live, you know this man? I tell him, and them man get all of the top flag they boy go on all about my YouTube. Yes man, Bigsuper. Let the voice be heard, yes man. One Bigsuper over there, so I go and with it for Donovan. I'm doing it big. Yes
I want Donovan, we say Bigsuper is inside the building.
Which one on YouTube?
Load it up.
Bigsuper. Bigsuper. B-I-G-S-U-P-E-R.
Okay.
Bigsuper.
Big up all of the entities, big up all the people who want to check it out. That grandpa. Hey people, you see that? Chop something, get some picture. Get some from grandpa. Hold on, get some from grandpa. Grandpa, give them something. Drop something back there. Donovan. Grandpa, yeah, drop something. Hold out there, Grandpa. And then man, the Grandpa pass here. Then you about Grandpa pass in there. Yeah, man. He go big goal, Lingo. Big goal, Lingo. Big goal, Lingo. Yeah, man. One Grandpa. Big goal, Lingo. Over where else, man? Outside. Westinko Bass. Big goal. Big goal. Big goal. Westinko Bass. Right. Yeah, man, we're doing it. We're doing it big. Big goal. No skimmage.
And you can say, baby,
Big goal, big goal, big goal. One big goal. Jeez, and pull up that sand for the one there. Yeah, man. Big goal. Bless up on the sale. Look at that. It's a good look. Maybe we have to check.
Angela for me now. Angela.
Bless up Angela.
Me big up Angela. Hey, me tell you no say, for no know nice the lady I just say man, I'm kind. No serious thing, you know. Angela, me come say Angela. And Angela take me on like our family. Although she turn her back to the video, I don't know, but she we are talking about. Yeah man, she a family to me. Real good woman. Yeah man, take your time, take your time. Yeah man, what we there do it man, Angela they are right up here place where they know we take us some other place this morning. But Angela understand, cause you see Donovan and Angela are good friend, you know, good friend. Yeah man. So Angela, thank you here for all what you do for me now. And all the person you do for me now. We are good woman. We have to come publicly. Nobody can move you or trouble you. No right yourself. You hear? Yeah, for me. Alright. Back to Donovan, you know? We're not business with nobody when you don't like. I love we say, you know, every time, you know, more love and more love and more love and more love. No one go to no like and who like. After a while, everybody have to just look. Here. See? Donovan, show him love, that's why we out there. He was always respectful to everyone. You run into him in a trouble, Donovan. He's not quarrel. I'm going to trouble in quarrel. But he's always a good person. Blessing.
There will be weeping and gnashing of teeth as everyone will be mourning. A whole lot of people will be mourning.
Big goal, little goal, all the goals, and take the goals. Don't know? Give thanks to all who done anything to Donovan's funeral. You know? Really. Choo mother, yeah man, really. Bless up man, just say something for the bike.
Yeah man.
bless up man,
Yeah man, choo man, I remember choo.
Yeah.
Yeah man, a full boy, you know. Yeah man.
Yeah.
But that's how it go, mommy.
Look and see.
Yeah.
Exactly, see real life.
Donovan, yeah, true.
That's what they said when my son laid down round there.
Yeah man, that's sad memories there.
Yeah man, sad
He
memories.
just put back in memory.
Yeah man, we're sorry for no one it wants.
Yeah man, that's just one of them things.
So we there live and we give God thanks and praise everything. You know, mommy, take it easy.
Falling down and fires burning.
Yeah.
Weeping and a gnashing of teeth as everyone will be mourning. A whole lot of people will be mourning. People will be mourning. Sinners, you will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. Oh well.
You.
Yeah, people. We're doing it for 5 bills. We're doing it for 5 bills to Donovan.
What you say? Big super. See the big super. Yes, big super.
Yeah, people.
Big boy. Big boy, big super. Outside. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Make we forget to pick up after
This is for Donovan. Donovan's funeral. Donovan was a loving and blessed guy, you know. So if you pass here, you want to drop a $10, $5, $20, $100, $100,000. anything you want to put on the pan for Donovan, we'll accept with love. The good love from God. Just remember that. Donovan, me like your shoes. Yeah, Donovan shoes, both, you know, man. I tell you. Nice shoes, man.
Yeah, man.
Go on the youth. Don't know, you make all the way come together. You know, you take no big, somebody are no great person. You know, Donovan is a simple man, and this is how we make way out of him. Yeah, man, good youth.
Any place is better. Starting from zero, getting nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove.
Yeah, some of you was on sub could just pay with tribute to Donovan. You don't know. Bigsuper inside the town of Morant. So stick and stay.